Trading feels overwhelming, right? So many strategies, so little time. But what if I told you that in just 12 minutes, you could understand every major trading strategy out there? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the tools to trade like a pro. Let's break it all down fast, simple, and effective. Hi there, and welcome to the ultimate crash course on trading strategies. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, I'm about to unpack all the key trading strategies in under 12 minutes. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's dive right in. First things first, what's a trading strategy? A trading strategy is simply a plan or set of rules that guides your buying and selling decisions in the market. It's like having a GPS for trading. You follow it to navigate the ups and downs. But here's the kicker. No single strategy works for everyone. That's why we're covering a range of them today. Let's start with day trading, the flashy strategy everyone's talking about. What is it? Day traders open and close their positions within a single trading day, aiming to capitalize on small price movements. Pros, you avoid overnight risks, and it's exciting. Cons, it's stressful, time-consuming, and requires quick decisions. Tools needed: a fast trading platform and technical analysis. A tip: focus on high volume stocks or Forex pairs to ensure liquidity. Think of this as the laid-back cousin of day trading. What is it? Swing traders hold positions for several days to weeks, aiming to capture swings in price trends. Pros, less stressful than day trading and works well for people with day jobs. Cons, it requires patience and staying updated on market trends. Best markets: stocks, Forex, and cryptocurrencies. If you can identify trends and use tools like Fibonacci retracements, swing trading could be for you. For those who thrive on speed, we have scalping. What is it? A strategy where traders make dozens or even hundreds of trades in a single day, profiting from small price changes. Pros, high potential for profits in a short time. Cons, it's intense, requiring sharp focus and discipline. Key tip: use low-cost brokers, as fees can eat up profits. Looking for a strategy that's truly hands-off? Enter position trading. What is it? A long-term approach where traders hold positions for months or even years, based on fundamental analysis. Pros, minimal stress, less time spent watching the market. Cons, requires patience and a strong stomach for market volatility. Best for stocks and commodities. Position trading is ideal for those who believe in the long game. Welcome to the age of AI with algorithmic trading. What is it? Using computer programs to execute trades based on preset criteria. Pros, lightning-fast execution, emotionless trading. Cons, requires programming knowledge and can be expensive. Popular platforms: MetaTrader, TraderStation. One of the simplest yet most effective strategies is trend following. What is it? Traders follow the direction of the market trend, buying in an uptrend, selling in a downtrend. Pros, easy to understand and implement. Cons, it doesn't work in sideways markets. Use moving averages to identify trends and stick to the plan. This strategy involves going against the crowd, buying when others are selling and vice versa. Pros, can yield massive profits when the market overreacts. Cons, high risk if the crowd is right. Key tip: use this strategy with solid research and a backup plan. Feeling unsure? Try copy trading. What is it? Following and copying the trades of experienced traders. Pros, great for beginners. No need for deep market knowledge. Cons, you're relying on someone else's success. Best platforms: Eachro, Zulu Trade. Before we wrap up, here's the golden rule. Always manage your risk. Use stop-loss orders to limit losses. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital or a single trade. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. And there you have it, every major trading strategy, simplified and explained in just 12 minutes. The key takeaway: no strategy is one size fits all. Experiment, learn, and stick to what works for you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and share your favorite strategy in the comments below. See you in the next video, and happy trading. Every trading strategy explained in 12 minutes. Master the market fast. Top 10 trading strategies you must know. 12-minute guide. Learn every trading strategy in 12 minutes, simple and effective. Day trading to swing trading. Every strategy in 12 minutes. Quick guide to trading strategies. Dominate the market in 12 minutes.